Hi there, I'm Moby Smart Cat, and today we talk little about the Nokia 1100 Retro Chic Edition. I know, there's nostalgia and memories, but there's also a limit to that. I get why people are going back to the Nokia 3310 and Nokia 1100, and that's fine, but almost pulling a rotary phone, with Nokia brand, on ain't cool, no more. That's almost what Zioxi Shi 2LA design envisioned, with this retro Nokia concept. Once again, it gives me no pleasure to bash a designer's work, so I'm not going to do that. I can, however, say that this handset resembles a showerhead and a handlebar. It feels like the receiver of an older fixed phone. It may have a retro chic aspect, and FD keyboard and screen, but in the end the bulky body is misunderstood art, rather than useful hardware. Intuitive interaction and blind typing are promised here, and 4-colored small keys are included, for quick access to certain core features. This basic phone has AI on board, working with Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant, and it's able to perform any interaction a modern smartphone does. I know somewhere in the world there are people praising this as art, so we'll let it slide. That's all for now. For more news, stay tuned. If you like the video, like and subscribe for more. And be sure to leave a comment down below. Bye.